Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. US President James Buchanan regularly bought slaves in Washington, D.C. and quietly freed them in Pennsylvania. All the medals for the 2024 Paris Olympic and Paralympic Games will have a piece of iron from the Eiffel Tower embedded in them. There is no evidence to support link between violent video games and behavior. Researchers at the University of York have found no evidence to support the theory that video games make players more violent. Experimental Japanese bullet train Alpha X with a top speed of 400 km per hour. Global Happiness Index by country, percentage of people who say they are happy. Research suggests that when someone disagrees with you, you should speak faster so they have less time to process what you're saying. Crazy Rich Asian star Henry Golding is a fully trained hairstylist. Most common languages on the internet 2024. Researchers estimate that the United States could harness enough energy from its nuclear waste to power the nation for 100 years. The most overdue library book was returned 288 years late. On 29th April 1848, the great artist Raja Ravi Verma was born. Men ignore their partners 380 times a year using selective hearing, accordingly to a study conducted by Scriven's Hearing Care. Live, breathe, cry, understand, smile, scream, lie, lose, bleed, fight, feel, dream, sleep, try, win, laugh. Life includes all. 7 countries Albania, Bhutan, Nepal, Paraguay, Iceland, Ethiopia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo now generate 100% of their electricity from renewable energy sources. On 22nd April 1970, 50 years ago, First Earth Day was celebrated. There is a resort town in New Mexico called Truth or Consequences. Police in the UK can legally break into a person's house under the Bees Act 1980 if they suspect this house contains foreign bees. On 20th April 1889, Adolf Hitler, the great dictator, was born. A new book is published every 13 minutes in America. While using dogs to detect the presence of cancer in cells is a well-known concept, new research has shown that ants can also do the same. St. Louis City Museum has the world's largest pencil, which is 76 feet long and weighs 9,000 kg. Gorilla spends her final moments hugging the man who saved her as a baby. The temperature of every leaf on any tree is 21 degrees Celsius, no matter where the tree is, as the temperature is the most suitable for trees to make their food. It's not a castle, it's a school situated in Russia named Ordinary Miracle School. Superior canal dehiscence syndrome is a disease in which you can hear the sound of all the functions happening in your body. Moving your legs or hands constantly while talking means you're pretty confused and uncomfortable. The scary background music in the movies is made by using an instrument called waterphone. GPS tracking on 6 wolf packs shows how much they avoid and respect each other's territory. Just by having one elaichi with hot water before sunset, promotes faster hair growth, reduce hair fall, get rid of bad breath and prevents cold and flu. Burj Khalifa is so tall that the sun can still be seen for several minutes after it has set at ground level. This has led Dubai clerics to rule that those living above the 80th floor should wait 2 additional minutes to break their Ramadan fast. In 2007, a bowhead whale was discovered with the end of a harpoon left embedded in its neck from a previous hunt. It was found that the harpoon tip was originally manufactured in 1890, indicating the whale had survived a human attack more than a century ago. In France, Peyo, a beautiful 15-year-old stallion, often comes to comfort and soothe terminally ill patients at the teacher hospital in Kailas. The horse always chooses which patient he wants to see, kicking his hoof outside the door. In 2018, a hacker broke into people's routers, 100,000 of them, and patched their vulnerabilities up so that they could not be abused by other hackers. Actor Rob Riggle served 23 years in the US Marine Corps, retiring as a lieutenant colonel. He was deployed in Kosovo, Liberia, and Afghanistan, earning a Combat Action Ribbon, among other honors. A Japanese consortium has unveiled the prototype of what is touted to be the world's first high-speed 6G device, promising data transfer rates at lightning speed. In a world where speed and connectivity reign supreme, the race towards the next generation of wireless technology. 4 crucial body signs you should not ignore. Dandruff and hair loss. Wrinkly hands and fingers. White patches on your tongue. Constant thirst. Thanks for watching.